Hello, Jack. Today we have a very special story for our listeners. It's called Mom, Do You Love Me? It's a simple and sweet story perfect for beginners learning English.
Hi, Sarah. Yes, this story is about a little child asking their mom a very important question. It's full of love and feelings, and it helps learners practice basic English words and sentences.
Let's start. Imagine a little boy named Tim. It's bedtime and Tim is feeling a little scared. He looks at his mom and asks, Mom, do you love me?
Mom smiles and says, "Yes, Tim, I love you very much." Tim feels happy but wants to hear more. He asks again, "Mom, do you love me when I am good?"
Mom nods and says, Yes, Tim, I love you when you are good. You are my good boy. Tim smiles but then asks, Mom, do you love me when I am bad?
Mom hugs Tim and says, "Yes, Tim, I love you even when you are bad. I love you all the time." Tim feels safe and loved.
Tim looks at his teddy bear and says, Teddy, do you love me? Teddy is quiet, but Tim feels comforted.
Mom says, "Tim, love is always with you. Even when you are scared or sad, I am here." Tim feels warm inside.
Tim asks, Mom, do you love me when I am sleepy? Mom smiles and says, Yes, Tim, I love you when you are sleepy. Sleep well, my dear.
Tim closes his eyes and whispers, "Good night, Mom. I love you." Mom kisses Tim's forehead and says, "Good night, Tim. I love you too."
This story helps learners practice simple questions and answers about love and feelings. It uses easy words like love, mom, good, bad, sleepy, and good night.
Yes, Sarah, it also teaches important phrases like "Do you love me?" and "I love you." These are useful for everyday conversations.
Let's practice some key sentences for our listeners. Mom, do you love me? Yes, I love you very much. I love you all the time. Good night, Mom. Good night, Tim.
Great idea. Repetition helps learners remember and practice pronunciation.
Now let's imagine Tim's day. In the morning, Tim wakes up and asks, Mom, do you love me today? Mom smiles and says, Yes, Tim, I love you every day.
At breakfast, Tim spills his milk. He looks worried and asks, "Mom, do you love me when I make mistakes?" Mom laughs gently and says, "Yes, Tim, I love you even when you make mistakes."
Tim feels better and says, Thank you, Mom. Mom hugs him and says, You are my special boy.
This story shows that love is unconditional. It's a great lesson for children and learners to understand feelings and relationships.
Exactly, and it's a perfect way to practice simple English in a meaningful context.
Let's practice some vocabulary. Love, mom, good, bad, sleepy, mistake, special, hug, kiss, thank you.
And some questions. Do you love me? When do you love me? Why do you love me?
Remember, learners, don't be afraid to ask questions and express your feelings in English.
That's right. English is not just about grammar and words. It's about communication and connection.
Now that we've shared the sweet story of Tim and his mom, let's practice some more English phrases and sentences you can use to talk about love and feelings with your family.
That's a great idea, Jack. Talking about feelings is very important, and it helps you connect with people. Let's start with some simple questions you can ask your mom, dad, or anyone you love.
For example, you can say, "Do you love me?" or "Do you care about me?" These are easy questions, but very meaningful.
And when someone asks you, you can answer, Yes, I love you, or Of course I care about you. It's nice to hear these words and say them too.
Let's practice a short conversation. I will be the child and you be the mom, Sarah. Ready?
Ready.
Mom, do you love me?
Yes, I love you very much.
Do you love me when I am good?
Yes, I love you when you are good.
Do you love me when I make mistakes?
Yes, I love you even when you make mistakes.
That was great. Now, let's learn some new words to describe feelings. For example, happy, sad, scared, and brave.
Yes, Tim was scared of the thunder, but he was brave when his mom came to help him. You can say, I am scared, or I am brave.
And if you want to say you feel happy, you can say I am happy. If you feel sad, say I am sad.
Let's practice with some sentences. I will say a sentence and you repeat after me.
Okay.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am scared.
I am scared.
I am brave.
I am brave.
Good job. Now let's talk about some actions you can do when you feel scared. Tim hugged his teddy bear and asked for his mom. You can say, I hug my teddy bear, or I ask my mom for help.
Yes, and you can also say I feel better now, or I am not scared anymore.
Let's practice a short dialogue. I will be the child and you be the mom.
Okay.
Mom, I am scared.
It's okay, my dear. I am here.
I hug my teddy bear.
That's good. You are brave.
I feel better now.
I am proud of you.
That was wonderful. Remember, it's okay to feel scared sometimes, but talking about your feelings helps a lot.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases to say good night. Tim said, "Good night, Mom. I love you." You can say the same to your family.
Yes, and your mom or dad can say, good night, my love, or sleep well.
Let's practice saying good night together.
Good night, sleep well, I love you.
Perfect. Now, let's review some important words and phrases from today's lesson.
Here are some key words: love, mom, hug, scared, brave, happy, sad, teddy bear, good night, sleep well.
And some key phrases. Do you love me? I love you very much. I am scared. I am brave. Good night, Mom. Sleep well.
Try to use these words and phrases every day. Practice speaking with your family or friends.
And don't forget to listen to stories and songs in English. It helps you learn new words and understand how to use them.
Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed the story and the practice.
Please like this video if you learned something new and subscribe to Dream Speak English for more fun lessons.
Leave a comment telling us who you love and what you like to say to them in English.
We love reading your comments and stories.
See you next time. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.